Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Introduction to Chemistry Lab. So, what is our duty in chemistry lab? As a student, as an instructor. So, every person should know their duties in the laboratory. So in this video, I am going to focus on some important things for the laboratory. So first word, analysis. This is very important word for chemistry. Chemists are the people concerned with the analysis. What is analysis and what we learn in analysis? Analysis is the process of learning nature and composition of any substance. Now classification. What is classification? The three important questions generally studied in analysis are what, how much and where. So look at here. Definitely mouth watering. Hum. This is wow. If you are diabetes, then much more. Am I right? So, but for a chemist, what does it consist? How much each of the constituent is? Where from it was bought? Answer for the first question, it consists of flour, sugar, cashew, ghee, kishmish, elaichi. Answer for the second question, 500 gram of flour, 300 gram of sugar, 100 gram of cashew, 100 gram of kishmish, 500 gram of ghee, 5 gram of elaichi. Answer for the third question is brought from XYZ sweet store, ISO 900 certified. Now you understand how chemistry people taking precautions. So this is analysis. God bless us with the two wonderful organs for both the qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. That is your eye. Eyes are for the qualitative analysis and tongue is for quantitative analysis with limitations. Now, qualitative analysis is the process of identification of each of the constituent present in a sample provided. And quantitative analysis is the process of determination of the quantity of each of the constituent present in the sample. Now, qualitative analysis, macroanalysis, microanalysis, semi-microanalysis, trace analysis, ultra trace analysis. What does it mean? Macro means bahut, then ultra trace bahut kam. Quantitative analysis, classical methods of analysis and instrumental method of analysis. And classical method of analysis also have gravimetric and volumetric. Now instrumental method of analysis like photometric methods, UV visible, NMR, ESR, IR, AAS, FES, AES. Thermal method of analysis and radiochemical method of analysis and electrochemical analytical methods like photometry, conductometry, pHmetry, amperometry, polarography, voltammetry and colorimetry. Now gravimetry. What is the meaning of gravimetric analysis? It was mainly based on classical gravimetric and titrometric scheme, followed by the invention of precise analytical balance, extremely low throughput and high precise and accurate analysis with the restricted sensitivity. Again, gravimetry is the determination of an element or species through the measurement of the mass of well-characterized insoluble product of a definite chemical reaction involving that elements or a species. You can see when sodium chloride solution is mixed with a solution of silver nitrate, it forms a precipitate of silver chloride. You can see the silver chloride precipitate. I repeat, when sodium chloride solution is mixed with a solution of silver nitrate, it forms a precipitate of silver chloride. अगर आप सोडियम क्लोराइड को सिल्वर नाइट्रेट में डालेंगे तो सिल्वर क्लोराइड की प्रिसिपिटेट मिलेगी. So titrimetry is the determination of an elements or a species through the measurement of mass of chemical necessary to exactly complete a definite chemical reaction in a solution containing that element or a species. End point generally are determined by observing a color change in an indicator. So end point are also commonly determined by observation of potential differences at electrodes or change in conductivity. So look at here titrant and titrate, titrant, burette, and you can initial reading, final reading, tab, and titrate. You can see the acid of unknown concentration. Now term used in volumetric analysis. Titration, the process of operations or method of determining the concentration of substance in a solution by adding to it a standard reagent of known concentration in carefully measured amount until a reaction of definite and known proportion is completed, as shown by the color change or by electrical measurements, and then calculating the unknown concentration. Titrate, the reagent of known concentration in the process of titration. So titrant, the solution in a titration that is added from a burette to a measured quantity of another solution. So look at here titrant and titrate. Now indicator, a substance used in titration to indicate the completion of a chemical reaction, usually by a change of color. Look at here. End point you can see, before that colorless, now super look, and not bad, that is the bad look. So super look is between. So end point, the point in a titration at which no more titrant should be added. It is determined, for example, by a color change in an indicator or by the appearance of precipitate. In the above picture, we can clearly observe the end point. So error is defined as, error is also very important. You should know every portions have something error. So you have to define the error. Error is defined as the difference between the true value and observed value. The following are the different types of error generally seen: physical error and experimental error. Look at here. Whenever you are measuring, you have to correct the volumes to the lower meniscus. Now experimental error. These errors are due to preparation of solution and reagent, concentration of reagents and indicator, weighing the required chemical substance, additions of reagent from graduated apparatus such as burette, pipette, etc. Now accuracy and precise. Accuracy is also very important term. You have already learned this. Precisions. So role of indicator. The indicator in a titration play a key role by detecting the end point. The indicator shows different and distinct color change at the point of addition of excess of drop of reagent from burette. It works accurately on some conditions such as pH, medium, acidic, alkaline, and on potentials. So in next video I will discuss about the acid-base titrations. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.